We are already it. We're already there. I'm acting as if because I am it. It is happening, right? In my life right now. Not waiting on it to happen. It's happening right now. Greetings, beautiful people. Fran here, back with another video. So, before we go any further, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking this journey with me. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And also, tell somebody what's happening over here. So, on this channel, if you're new, welcome to Fran's Fam. We talk about all things spiritual, manifestation, we talk about creating our lives, we talk about money, we talk about relationships, we talk about business, we talk about everything that has to do with you living your best and grandest life. So, let's jump into it. Today, I want to talk to you about something that has been on my radar for the last week and a half, and it is manifestation mindset shifts, okay? Why manifestation may not be working for you. Why it's not working for you. Not maybe working for you. Why it's not working. If it's not working, it's not sometimes working. It's just not working. I want to talk about why it may not be working. Okay? So, we talk a lot about the mindset and how we have to change and condition the mindset and prepare ourselves to receive the things that we are asking for from God, from the universe, from our higher self, etc. Right? And we know that sometimes changing the mindset or having those mindset shifts take a minute, especially depending on how negative you really are, right? Let's just be honest. If you're super duper negative, it's going to take you a minute to wrap your mindset around the fact that this can really happen for me and this is really possible. I know that because I wasn't super negative, but I was negative enough. Let me just say that. And it took me a minute to really get into the flow and become a vibrational match for what I was asking for. So let me talk about vibrational match, because a lot of people use that and it's just really a fancy word for seeing yourself as you want to be, right? So it's like, this is old Fran. This is the Fran that Fran wants to be, right? All right, bear with me now. Pay attention. This is important. This is old Fran. This is the new Fran. This is millionaire Fran right here. But I'm old Fran right now. When I say become a vibrational match to become millionaire Fran, what would millionaire Fran do? How would she act? What would be her daily routine? What would she think on a daily basis? How would she run her business? What would she implement? What would she take away? How many vacations would she take? Where would she go? Who would she take with her? How would she travel? That's becoming a vibrational match for the person you are becoming. I'm not going to say the person you want to be. I'm going to say the person you're becoming, because you are already that person, right? When we come here to this physical world already that person. But as we begin to grow and move through this existence, there are pieces of us that are disassembled. So when you become a vibrational match for what it is that you want, it's just you putting the pieces back together, basically, right? So that's what vibrational match is, for those of you who don't know but hear it a lot, because I hear it a lot. When you can wrap your mind around the fact that I am already this person, I am already rich and I am already wealthy and I am already in love, I already have a great business, I already am a success in my job, I already have that promotion, and you begin to behave in that way, then you start to attract those things to you. If you had 5-6 figure clients, how would you show up? Would you be late? Would you make excuses? Would you always have a reason why the work is not done? Would there always be something? Or would you show up like a confident businesswoman on the ball with everything that client needs and some, right? You would be over prepared because you would want that six-figure client to tell their six-figure friends about you, right? So that's showing up and being who you already are and being a vibrational match for your life. Sometimes what happens is that we cannot get out of the patterns of our old self. Sometimes we're so stuck in the mindset of our old self that we feel like, and we experience blocks in our lives. We experience things that happen in our lives because really we're creating those things because we are doing repeatedly the same thing that causes the same issues that give you the same results. Okay, that's one reason why it may not be working. Here's another reason why it may not be working. The law of attraction and manifestation operates on the laws of the universe, right? If you don't know the laws of the universe, you need to learn those. Yes, I'm going to do a video about those. I know y'all keep asking me. I am going to do an online course about the laws of the universe because it's important. We're operating in some of the laws of the universe, right? And there are some that kind of tip the scales to help you attract quickly, right? So we have the law of attraction. Thoughts are things, words have power. We have the law of assumption. We are already it. We're already there. I'm acting as if because I am it. It is happening, right? In my life right now. Not waiting on it to happen. It's happening right now. And then we have the law of receptivity, which is I'm receiving things. Things are coming to me. I'm so thankful and grateful for all of this stuff. But then we have the law of giving. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Crickets. Do I hear crickets? I think I hear crickets. Yeah, I hear crickets. Crickets. Okay. If you are always receiving and you have your hands out all the time, you are out of balance. It's that simple. Nothing is going to come if you're receiving and not giving. But that also works the opposite way. If you are giving and you're not receiving, you're still out of balance. So it has to be in balance. It can't be one way or the other. So if you're on this end and you're receiving too much, you're out of balance. If you're on this end and you're giving too much, you're out of balance. You need to have a balance of giving and receiving. Simple. It cannot be either way. So if you are holding on so tight to things, but yet still asking for things, chances are you're probably not going to get them. Because number one, you have so much, where is the universe going to deliver that to? Or maybe you don't have so much, but you're holding on to what you have. So you're not symbolizing that I am willing to release this so that I can receive, because I know that whatever is given, it will be replenished. That's why, to me, tithing is so important. May not be important to you. Sowing those seeds is so important to me because I know that if I sow my seeds in fertile ground, they are going to reap harvest and they're going to return to me. I've seen that happen in my life in multiple ways, multiple times, multiple ways. That may not be it for you, but whatever it is for you, you have to figure that out and make sure that you're not out of balance. This is the thing about God, the universe, however you identify. The spirit is very intelligent, right? The spirit of giving, the spirit of receiving, the spirit of abundance, the spirit of health, the spirit of love. I can go on and on and on and on and on. It's so intelligent, right? They are so intelligent and so in tune to your energetic frequency that they know when you are ready to receive. If you're not ready to receive, it's probably not going to show up, right? That's another thing. So if we are saying, I'm ready for this, I'm ready for this, I'm ready for this, so that we don't fall on our face, because sometimes we will fall on our face if they go ahead and give it to us and we're not ready. Like, you want 50 customers, but you only have 25 products. It doesn't work, right? So you have to get ready while you're waiting. A lot of times we get impatient in our waiting because we're not doing the work while we're waiting, right? We're not doing the work while we're waiting. We're waiting and we're just like, oh my gosh, I wish this would hurry up. It is taking forever. But yet you're not even prepared for it. So do the work, get yourself prepared for what you're asking for. When you do these things, what happens is the doors start to open, right? Because there's no way they cannot open. When you are putting in the work and you are doing your part, not worrying about their part, the hows, the whens, the whys, the wheres, that's not your business. Your business is to do the things that you need to do so that you are prepared for what you're asking for. Start working on being exactly who you think you want to be, but you already are. And here's the thing. Once you start becoming that person again, it becomes so easy for you, right? It becomes so easy for you to do that thing. It becomes so easy for you to show up as that person because that's truly who you are already, right? So try those things and then let me know how it works out for you. And here's another thing. Be easy with yourself, right? Don't get frustrated. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't operate in anxiety because you feel like I can't do all that. I just can't do all that at one time. Take the one thing that you can do right now and start there. And then move accordingly, right? It's really easy. You don't have to rush because once you begin, things will start to show up for you. And as things begin to show up, you'll want more of that and more of that and more of that. And then you'll get comfortable with having it. All right, y'all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you again. Let me know what you think about this. And also get active in the comments. I will talk to you soon. Peace and love. Bye for now.